Okay, the first time in the yard together, Diesel, Rottweiler, Hank, our deaf dog, the white dog. We got Potter in here, and then Roadrunner. Good shake off, Potter.